arrested people who are found at the demolition site. First of all, as we speak now, we know the person who told them to do so. And that person was later given a permit to do that legally. But those people, if it's true that they are in a prison, they are there suffering for nothing. Instead of arresting that person who sent them to do that, that person is there enjoying himself here. We are aware that there are some people who lost lives during that demolition. I think we are also
okay. That's now a very serious allegation. We must probe it, but before we probe it, first of all, we are not sure if the person is enjoying himself.
He's enjoying.
Number two, it is too early to tell whether those people who are in prison, if at all, are suffering for nothing, because if you are an accomplice, you cannot say you're suffering for nothing. That one is a judicial process which we will not interfere with. But yes, I uphold your question on why deal with the agents when you have the principals.
Honorable Chair, can I add something? Something small on that.
Let's start from Honorable Mwijuche.
Chair, I would want evidence that these people were arraigned in court and they're in prison, because they may not be in prison. He may not be telling the real truth. So I would want that evidence. As he brings the title tomorrow, let him bring evidence that actually those people are in prison.
Maybe by going to prison to take their photographs?
No, but there is the remand warrant. You can't.
No, those are two different things. Whether they were arraigned in court is the charge sheet.
Yes.
A copy of the remand warrant, yes and no, because this is a process of court where we can only, I don't know if we can get a copy of the remand warrant, but to what end?
Well, because we want to know that he's not telling us a lie, that actually these people were arraigned in court. Because the information I have is that they were not.
You want proof? Mr. Kigenyi, were they prosecuted by your prosecutors? I am trying to mitigate harshness on by giving the witness onerous assignments. Were they prosecuted by your own prosecutors?
Mr. Chairman, I can confirm that the court process is indeed on.
Okay.
And we can provide the documentation.
Okay, let's receive documentary evidence in form of remand warrant and the charge sheet. Honorable Kawashida, you had a question?
These people, let's wait for the evidence. I was requesting that we proceed.
Okay.
So now the real question.
There were hard questions this side. Honorable Siwamala?
Mine was the management of the demolition process.
What do you mean?
What do you do when you give somebody a demolition permit? What happens? What is he supposed to follow? What are the terms of reference to that demolition process?
The terms are embedded in the permit, and they are quite a number. Here they are 10.
Were they followed?
That should be the question. We would also like, when you're coming, we want, like I said, we want the file. I think there are some documents we would want to interrogate from that file.
Were the terms
followed subsequently? Are you satisfied?
That is a post the
yes.
Grant of the award. I can ask my technical team to
please ask them
to give me comfort when we come tomorrow.
When you come tomorrow?
You start to come tomorrow.
The people who are there, I did not
Mr.
ask you.
Chairman.
Actually, tomorrow was allocated to you as well. Yes,
Mr. Chairman, some of the people that were supposed to be on site are here.
like who?
The engineering team.
Yes, because
The technical team.
because we called them and we have already said,
Maybe they can give us some
we
answers.
said when we invite you, we take precedence. You can give us what?
You can give
Mr. Chairman, I can confirm whether that has been done completely by making one of my staff
telephone
find
call.
out. But may I also say that the engineering team that is here is largely roads and drainages. There is
Yes.
a building, a section of engineers who may not necessarily be present here.
Yeah, because the
So
issues
they
we're
may not
dealing
have that
with
information.
roads.
It's a building and infrastructure
Okay.
issue.
Are you
Chair.
done, Honorable Sabamala?
Mr. Chair, does the head engineering supervise the whole engineering team or he supervises departments?
He does supervise the director.
Is he here?
Is not in person.
Has he delegated?
Honorable Sabamala, I will not allow that line of questioning
You
because
know, Mr. Chair, my
There's a-
problem is
there is a reason I'm guiding the way I'm guiding. It is sufficient. 3, you cannot accuse a witness relating to this.
Mr. Chair, as you, mine was the technical bit in it. So if it is
From the
irrelevant,
engineering perspective,
if it is irrelevant to this committee, then I rest my case.
no. What is relevant is the question. Not
question
the
is
officers
because
who are
if-
here and those who are not here.
A while ago, one of the honorable members said some people died during that demolition. I wanted to know whether it's true or false, and if it is,
Whether that some people were there during the demolition?
he said some people died during the demolition.
Now that is another question which I want us to interrogate.
That is why I was now going into who was
Actually, it had been raised earlier whether it is true lives were lost.
yes.
So the-
Then that is why I was
It's
going.
one of the pending questions.
That is why I was going into the engineering part of it,
Which is okay.
Who supervised what
the-
happened during that
The
demolition?
subsequent demolition after that.
Okay.
Yes, so that one is relevant because now it relates to the conditions. And I wish you had asked it directly. Who supervised the subsequent demolition pursuant to this permit?
Mr. Chairman, I do not have that pinpoint evidence of who, but we can provide it.
Okay, I think that can be answered tomorrow as number 1. Honorable Kablindi?
Like, now that the acting ED has confirmed to us that among the engineers here, the relevant ones are not present, do you assure us that tomorrow we'll come with the relevant engineers?
It is up to us to say we want them and they will be here.
Honorable Chair, if I had ED correct, that though HK Ham was given a demolition certificate, it doesn't make him not to be culpable for the first part of the demolition that had the other people arrested.
That's correct.
I
Yes,
wanted
that's-
to know, was the charge sheet amended to include him then, or he is not co-accused with the people who are remanded? I don't know whether I put it
who?
correctly in the...
Who are you referring to?
HK Ham. I don't know that company.
How
that
does
it says in
HK Ham come
Key
in?
Ham, Key Ham.
Key Ham is a company.
Yes. I don't
So
know whether it's
we-
a person, yes.
Don't even be tempted
I don't want
to
be
look
tempted
for
to the
individuals.
person, no.
For a
but,
particular individual.
Chair, company law is very clear.
Yeah.
Yes, so either if it is a body corporate
But,
or a person,
Company law. You know, I'll be clear on this. We have not interrogated the position of those individuals who were arraigned and remanded. Okay? Don't confuse the name Kiham Enterprises. Is it Kiham? Kiham what? No, it is here. It is in the documents. Kiham Enterprises Uganda Limited, with individuals, with a particular individual. We don't know whether the persons included the MD, the board chairman, and so on and so forth. What we know is that the principal is Kiham Enterprises. So maybe you should be asking, who is Kiham Enterprises CEO? And whether he's the one involved. Don't look for the individual. I will not allow you. Okay. Okay. Buzaya.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Point. Death occurred. Was it in the first phase of demolition or the second phase?
Okay. Death, if at all.
Lastly, Mr. Chairman, when you go to Nachivubo,
When I go there to do what?
in that report,
Okay.
in that report, they talk about deviation from the original plan.
That's correct.
We need to find out to what extent is the deviation from the original plan that was approved by KCCA.
If someone already crosses into the next plot, isn't that sufficient evidence of a deviation?
Lastly, Mr. Chairman, we also need to look at the NEMA certificate that authorized the construction on that Nachivubo channel.
Okay. Are we not crossing into the other subcommittee then? We will not cross. We will limit ourselves to the demolition and encroachment on plot 24.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, lastly,
We will not visit the channel.
Mr. Chairman, lastly, I would request that perhaps tomorrow the chairman land board appears here.
Which board?
KCCA, of course, Mr. Chairman.
To tell us what? There is no chairman land board KCCA. Under the constitution, you have the chairman of the district land board. And the district land board has, or the city, no, it is called district. Even then,
So there is no.
you said the chairman. I am aware that the MP for Buzaya knows a bit of English. When he means the former, he will say the former.
I mean,
And so he has no business. Land board, district land board has no business because we have not received any scintilla of evidence saying this land has been allocated. We also not interrogating so much about the ownership now, but the aspect of demolition. Probably we have asked for the title to tell us the owner so we could ask the owner subsequently. Okay, Kasiro.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, who are the directors of KIHAM? Two in these recommendations here. They are saying that the developer should submit the application for demolition.
Yes.
By the face of it, we have been told they have not listed, they have not, from the submission of the deputy ED, they have not listed, they have not sold it, but there was someone who trespassed or was an intruder to this place. Now,
The developer should submit the application for demolition permit through BIMS and attach the required documents as stated in 2 above. And the 2 above
includes
Mr. Kigenyi. The 2 above include
letter from LC1.
Letter from LC, proof of land ownership, demolition methodology and safety management plan, previously approved plans for the existing structures to be demolished, and supervising professionals and payment of the demolition fee.
Chair,
The demolition fee is paid.
Yeah. So
Did you receive proof?
Chair, so tomorrow, let
Now,
them bring.
we have already asked for the entire file,
Yes.
which will have everything that you're asking for.
So let them, the file should include these things in 2, recommendation 2, all those.
Okay.
Yeah, then they have questions I can put up tomorrow because already see issues. You don't see one because the issue of ownership and whether this place has already.
Why are you preempting your
Demolishing and the ED wouldn't give us good answers.
No.
I was overview, Mr. Chair.
That's a false accusation against him.
I was overview.
Before he answers, we clear him to answer. So
Let
don't
me-
accuse him of refusing or failing.
I will withdraw that
Yes.
chair. But for more information and for the good of this committee, Chair,
Yes.
if you can permit, with your permission, sir, this committee to have the director or one of the directors of KIHAM to give us a detailed information about that process. How did he start it? How did he get the permit? I think you can get more information that we haven't got from the ED. That's my humble request, Chair. Having the ED KIHAM.
One of the directors, did you say one of the directors? Is granted. Tomorrow as you come with the directors.
Mr. Chairman, that it is well in the comfort and the powers of this committee to invite those persons.
Sustained.
Thank you.
Chair, your request is sustained.
Chair.
He is right.
Chair.
KIHAM Enterprises.
Chair, also.
I think let us not hide our heads under the sand because we have written to them before, haven't we?
Chair, also.
KIHAM, yes.
Maybe the lawyer
In
should
relation to
also,
the
also come with the copies of the overlapping plots around, because the issue of encroachment either side is also prominent at the channel where you gave development.
I think what we can do.
7A, those
I
areas
think
for us to understand.
what we can do from the word go, from the onset, is that until this matter is concluded by Parliament, nobody should touch the nearby schools. Okay? And that if you permit to do anything, you will be in contempt. Nobody should touch those schools.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes?
First of all,
Not to the witness.
You know, there was a question that I should have answered later on about the school land.
Yes, you'll answer. But in the meantime, let it be that way. Honorable Chinyamatama?
Chair, my last one.
No, he will answer.
We're remanded.
He said 3? 4.
4, okay.
Honorable.
now we'll forward.
Well, tufunye bufunyi mawulire kumenyebwa kw'ekitundu oba ky'ebizimbe bibiri mu katale ka St. Bali ku Ddembe ak'omutukuvu Bali ku Ddembe akayitibwanga Owino. Bannaffe batutegeezezza nti gwe baawukulaakulanya omwala kampuni gye bayita KIHAM Enterprises Uganda Limited yamenya ekitundu kya katale ka Bali ku Ddembe nga tefunye lukusa lwa KCCA era nga terina bwannannyini ku ttaka eryo. So ne tubasaba ebisingako awo ebikwata ku katale ako ekyapa kyabwe bakituleetereko tukizudde nti mwafiiramu n'omuntu mu kumenya mu bifunfugu ebyo basangamu omuntu afudde ne tukizuula nti nno balina engeri oba oli awo gye bagajjalamu naye nga twagadde n'okuyita bannansi abagamba nti bayinza oba balowoozebwa okuba nti bayinza okuba bamanyi omuntu ono ow'Oluganda afiira mu bifunfugu bino. Omulambo gwatwalibwa Mulago ne guweebwayo bakebere oba basobole okumanya omuntu ono yali ani, yali amazeemu ennaku 2. Ne tubasaba bakomewo olunaku lw'enkya, ne tubasaba obutakwata ku masomero ga Nakivubo Blue agaliraanyeewo okubeera nti bagezaako okugagaba kubanga tukizudde nti n'akatale kano plot eya 24 teyaweebwayo naye ate oli yagenda n'amenya ebizimbe bibiri ebiriko nga tafunye lukusa lwa nannyiniyo ye KCCA. Ndowooza bye bibadde ebikulu mu nsisinkana ya leero ku kintu ekyo eky'akatale kano akasente bali ku ddembe. Tulaba abantu ba KCCA bagenda mu butale n'ebifo ebirala okukwasisa amateeka babeera bakambwe nnyo nti n'essefuliya y'omuceere bagitwala ne batafana ku mukazi aweese mwana abeera mu kwaziirana olw'okufiirizibwa n'essigiri bazitwala. Naye leero ku mulundi guno balaga nti baali bagayavu. Abo batutegeezezza nti nno bakwata abantu 4 ne babatwala mu kkooti era ne babaweereza mu komera. Twagadde okufuna obukakafu nti ddala ekyo kyakolebwa. Twagala n'okumanya babavunaana musango ki oba misango ki oba n'ogw'okutta omuntu ono gwalimu, kubanga tukizudde bwe muba nga mwe mwakoona mu bifuufugu byammwe ne mufiiramu omuntu, then tunnyonnyola tutya nti omusango gw'okutta omuntu gwo teguvunaanibwa. Weewaawo of course oyinza okitegeera nti omuntu baba tebannamutegeera identity ye naki, tosobola kuvunaana nti natta gundi nga gwe natta tomumanyi tomutaddeemu mu charge sheet. So ebirina okukolebwa twagala okulaba nti ddala bikolebwa okuzuula obutuufu bw'omuntu ono yaani, owaawa, eyafiira mu bifuufugu, yafaaki, ani yamutta, kubanga tuba twetaaga okufuna postmortem report okuva e Mulago, ate n'okusaba ab'obuyinza bakole omulimu gwabwe, n'okusaba gavumenti okubeera eneegendereza ng'egaba okutumalako n'okwemalako ettaka lya lukale. Yebyo maama. Tutegedde nti oluvannyuma lw'okukoona ebizimbe bino omulimu ne gutaggwa kubanga Executive Director wa Kampala Capital City Authority yaguyimiriza ekiro mu Ttumbi personally nti yagendayo nti naye ne bakizuula nga ebizimbe oba ebitundutundu by'ebizimbe byali bisigaddewo byali bya bulabe eri abantu olw'okubanga Owino akuŋŋaanya abantu bangi nti ne balyoka bawa aba Kiham olukusa kugenda mu maaso ebizimbe ebyo babimalewo nga babikoonere ddala biggwewo. Ekyo kye tutegeezeddwa. Yes. Enkola ya gavumenti okumala ebbanga ebadde nti akatale kakwasibwa abakakoleramu bakakulaakulanye, naye ate tulaba nti nno bwe kakwata omuliro oba bwe kavaawo olw'ensonga emu oba endala, ate kaweebwa muntu omu. Kitegeeza ekyo kiba kikontana n'enkola ya gavumenti egamba nti amaanyi tugawa abantu abangi basobole okwekulaakulanya nga bakozesa obutale ng'omulimu gwe basinga okutegeera oba ng'abantu abatusinga okutegeera omulimu ogwo okusobola okubawa amaanyi to empower them okusobola okulwanyisa obwavu n'okubuvuunuka. So obutale bumwe ennaku zino ate bwe buvaawo oba omuliro gwe gukookezza oba ki, ate developer abeera muntu omu, ate bw'azimba tazimba akatale abantu ke basobola akali mu busobozi bwabwe obw'enfuna, era ogenda okumaliriza kaba kagenda kufuuka ng'amaduuka amalala gonna mu katale omuntu wa bulijjo g'atasobola kuweetuusaako oba kusobola kusasulira. Toyinza kugenda kutundira nnyaanya mu dduuka ly'omugagga oba obutungulu. Tulowooza nti gavumenti yennyini esobola okwekulaakulanyiza obutale buno nebuteeka ku mulembe oba ku mutindo ng'amawanga amalala bwe gabeera bw'ogenda okulaba akatale. Kati ate bw'omala okukateekako n'owa omukisa abantu abo abateeyinza basobole okukakozesa bejje mu mbeera y'obwavu.